Hello friends, welcome to Wednesday session Environmental Studies class 5th. Last lecture we got some basic idea about the story of Poonam Chand Pandya's a great martyr of freedom fight movement time. This is the story of a one village when Poonam Chand Pandya was the leader. When Britishers put one statue and went away, and midnight Poonam Chand broke this statue. Next day, when the officials were inquired, and he got punishment for that. British slavery was removed. Poonam Chand took part in the fight of a non-cooperation against the foreign government. Poonam Chand went to the jail for several times. To remember his patriot, his statue is there in PCN High School even today. To keep his name immortal, a road in this city is also named as a freedom fighter Poonam Chand Pandya Road. Mawa is also popular for the freedom fighter like late Mr. Jaswant Bhai Mehta. He was a very great leader and he actively participated in our many different activities of those time when we got freedom. Now think and say, what would you do if this happens? Before that, let us have a quick look of one question's answer. How did he become martyr? He was punished by the British government. If your friend suddenly suffer a nausea, what will you do? You will give him a primary treatment and you will take him to the government hospital. If an epidemic strikes in your village, then you will contact to the medical team immediately. If there is a theft in your neighbor's home, immediately we will dial 100 number to call the police. These are our patriots: Chandrasekhar Azad, Shyamji Krishna Verma, Ram Prasad Bismil, Bhagat Singh. They have a great importance in our Indian history. Chandrasekhar Azad was very brave. Shyamji Krishna Verma from the Kutch. He worked in the foreign countries to get our freedom. Ram Prasad Bismil and Bhagat Singh. They were the heroic personalities of those days when they did a great job for our freedom movement. Dear students, if you do various brave work up to the 16-year age, you will get different kind of awards. National Bravery Award, Sanjay Chopra Award, Geeta Chopra Award, Bharat Award, Bapu Gayajani Award. These are the students, these are the young children's brave award, and above all, President Medal is very one of the best prize for showing bravery. Every year you can see that announcement will be there from the president office, and president is giving this kind of award to the brave children. This is our nation's pride and we should be proud for it. During this session, I request all the students to learn these all activities very properly and note down into the fair notebook. Some important points you note it down, then we will talk more about this in our next session. I request all of you to study well, learn well. Thank you, students.